लिखो कौन सा पैरा है। फ्रेजियोलॉजी वर्ड है वो, फ्रेजियोलॉजी, फ्रेजियोलॉजी लिखें, फ्रेजियोलॉजी। रेडी। A little while ago, we considered the rather strange fact that it is very often people who talk most about the good old days who at other times tell us about the very hard times they had in their own early days. Full stop. In these easygoing days, comma, they say, comma, young people do not know what it to work really hard, comma, and comma, they continue, comma, it is as a direct result of their own hard work that they are today the men they are. Full stop. And we, comma, of course, comma, are left in no doubt whatever that we of the present day can never hope to be as good men and women as our fathers and mothers. Full stop. If this is the case, comma, the country today is in a very bad way. Full stop. But is it the case, question mark, if the young people of today are of poorer quality than their fathers and mothers, comma, we may ask whether the old people of today are in their turn of poorer quality than their fathers and mothers, comma, who no doubt had to face even less easy conditions. Full stop. Clearly, comma, this cannot be the case, comma, for if we are today any better than the people of 1,000 or 2,000 years ago, comma, it is because on the whole the young people at any given time have been as good as the old people, comma, and even a little better. Full stop. The material conditions of the old people, comma, and even a little better. Full stop. The material conditions of life for the masses of the people of this country are better today than they have even been. Full stop. People generally have better food, comma, better houses and better schools. Full stop. More care is taken to see that young people, comma, as far as possible, comma, take up work of a kind which will interest them. Full stop. And almost all large business houses now provide playing fields for their workers. Full stop. Ready? Not only are these better conditions afforded to the people, it is of equal importance to note that the people are making full use of the better conditions. Full stop. Authorities all over the country have provided schools where those who are at work during the day may increase their knowledge in their free time, comma, either without charge or at a very low cost, and the attendances at such schools are growing yearly. Full stop. Women all over the country and in every situation of life are learning the food values of different kinds of food, comma, and people generally are moving into the better kind of houses as soon as it is possible for them to do so. Full stop. More people own their own houses today than at any time in our history. Full stop. It is quite true that the learn to face up to troubles and a hard life is a valuable part of our training, but even though the material conditions of life lives are better, we still have enough troubles to face and to overcome in our own times without wishing to turn our steps back into the past in order to find still more. Full stop. The girls and young women are today in a better position than their mothers were would not be questioned by many. Full stop. They can lead very much wider and happier lives, and it is certainly not the women who talk with love about the good old days. Full stop. But men have been doing it throughout the years. Full stop. Here is one example. Full stop. An old man writes. Full stop. The minds of the young people are full of plays and shows, and if they are so interested in these things, what room is left over in their minds for learning? Question mark. And he adds, the teachers are just as bad. Full stop. With them, two, such subjects supply the material for talk more often than any others. Full stop. We feel that we have heard these words before. Full stop. But when were they written? Question mark. Nearly 2000 years ago. Have we, after all, changed so very much? Full stop.
उनसे लिखा था।